Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make whole chicken, whole roasted chicken in the oven. This dish is very fast, very simple and delicious. As a side dish to this chicken, it's very nice to make whole little potatoes roasted or small cut potatoes roasted. I'll show you the chicken and you'll figure out your own side dish. However, one of my videos has already a side dish of roasted potatoes, and this is also perfect for this chicken. So let's start. We're taking one. I asked my butcher the biggest chicken they have. It was around 4.5 pound chicken. I asked it extra clean, and it's clean, beautiful chicken. So what we're doing now, we're gonna first stuff it. We take 1 lemon, okay? 1 lemon. We make few holes in the lemon so it's not exploding. We put it inside of the chicken, really like inside. We take 4 leaves of sage, something like that. We take 4 steams of thyme, 4 or 5, not so important. And we're taking like 4 steams of rosemary. I'm not really counting the steams. If the steams are big, I'm taking just 3. So that's what we have. We have our thyme, rosemary, and sage. We fold it like that, and we also put it inside. Okay. Now we take 1 or 2, depends on how big your chicken, garlic head. We cut it in the middle, you see, like that. And we also put it inside. That's it. That's what we put inside. So now what we're doing, we gonna tie our legs first, okay? So the inside of the chicken not gonna fall off. So we're taking a string. It's a special string for cooking. Okay, and we just tied it like that, trying to do it as tight as possible. We cut and we tie the leg. We take a bowl, we put 3/4 of olive oil, okay? We took 5 lemons, okay? And we grate this shell. We grated 5 of them. This is what came out. So we're gonna put it in our oil. We take 1 tablespoon of big kosher salt, 1 full tablespoon, and we take 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, I like even to add a little more. Now we mix all that, and then we see if it's enough oil or not. It depends on the lemons. Sometimes lemons come out to a lot of shells, sometimes less. So we're gonna see. I can add just a little bit olive oil more. So let's say it's instead of a 1/3 of cup, it's just a little bit more. Now what we're doing, we're putting all that on our chicken. Okay, and we're gonna spread it all over the chicken. Okay, we're just gonna do that. Gently turn it over so the inside doesn't fall off. And we're gonna spread it on this side as well. Lemon, salt, and all the spices. This is like winning combination, amazing. Okay, now we're gonna turn it back, and it's okay if the garlic fell off. We're gonna put it back. Okay, the chicken gonna cook with the breast up. Only for the last 30 minutes we're gonna turn the chicken for the breast down. The most important is to tie the legs only, because we're not moving it, it stays like that, and when we're gonna turn it for the 30 last minutes, it's gonna be already cooked, so it's not gonna fall off from the inside. Okay, we put everything, like we stick it inside, and now our chicken is ready. So what we're doing is, so we're putting our chicken to the conventional oven, conventional roast for 350, 325, 350, open like that, and just, it's gonna stay there. If it's 4.5 pounds, so it's a half an hour for a pound. So it's 2 hours and 15 minutes. So we're gonna put our time, 2 hours and 15 minutes for our chicken to be ready. For the last 30 minutes, we're gonna turn it over and make it with the breast down. Now, if you don't have a conventional roast and you have just regular oven, then you can just put it on, I guess, bake 400 or even 350 or 375, depend on your oven, how strong it is, and then you just leave it there until you see the chicken is brown and beautiful. You turn it more. Maybe it will take a little more time without the convention. So that's it. It's very easy, very tasty, and I'm gonna show you the final results. If you like my recipes, please subscribe, and we're gonna cook together. Bye.